Hello. So I've been trying to upload a video for the past 2 hours now, but we're having a snowstorm, and we keep losing power because of that. So it's been on off, and I keep losing what I've done. So I'm getting really frustrated. So I decided to stop and wait for tomorrow to upload the video. It's almost 7:30 in the evening now, so I'm just gonna stop that because I don't even know if the power will go out again. And yesterday we also lost power from 11 to a quarter after 11 in the afternoon until 7 at night, but that was caused by an accident. Fortunately, nobody was hurt, but we lost the power, so I couldn't work the video either. Anyway, so I even have my candles lit up just in case we lose the power again. So I will see you tomorrow in the video. Hopefully I'll be able to upload it. Have a great evening. See ya.